Today's video, I will share with you top 5 best table saws available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the table saws list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the table saws mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, S9 Multifunctional Small Table Saw. The S9 3-inch Precision Mini Table Saw is designed for DIY projects and small-scale tasks. This compact table saw also features a grinding function, making it a multifunctional tool for hobbyists and craft workers. Its small size makes it highly portable, perfect for precision work in tight spaces. Despite its size, the saw provides accurate cuts and includes various safety features, making it an ideal choice for detailed DIY tasks. Number 4, 800W Multifunctional Band Saw Machine. This multifunctional 800W band saw is an efficient, versatile tool for woodworking projects. Capable of reaching speeds of 1750 RPM, it functions as both a cutting and polishing machine. The electric table saw offers various woodworking features, including grinding, making it suitable for both professional and DIY use. With its compact design, this tool is great for small workshops or tight spaces, offering users multifunctionality in one device. Number 3, 2500W Woodworking Table Saw. With a powerful 2500W motor, this upgraded table saw offers a large working surface of 340 mm by 280 mm. The stainless steel tabletop is durable, featuring an angle ruler and adjustable backing for precision cutting. It's perfect for woodworking projects, making it ideal for professional decorators or hobbyists looking for advanced features. Its high power allows for efficient cutting of various materials, including hardwood, with ease and accuracy. Number 2, VEVOR Table Saw 10-inch. This portable and compact 10-inch table saw from VEVOR is designed for woodworking projects and furniture making. Powered by an 8-amp motor, it offers a 25-inch maximum rip capacity, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. The 40T blade ensures smooth and precise cuts, suitable for a variety of materials. Its portability makes it ideal for job sites, while its sturdy build ensures long-term use in demanding projects. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals needing a reliable, mobile solution. Number 1, CB New Woodworking Table Saw. This dust-free woodworking table saw is designed for home use, capable of cutting solid wood and composite laminate flooring. It offers a clean and efficient cutting experience with advanced dust collection features, making it ideal for households and workshops with minimal debris left behind. The saw is built with a durable construction, perfect for precision and heavy-duty tasks like flooring projects. Its compact size and user-friendly features make it accessible for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike.